Hi IT lovers, welcome back to web editing with Visual Studio Code. Now it's tutorial number 2 part 1 for VSC. Yes, last week we finished our 32 questions demo test in German by easyforme.at or icdl.org. Now we can create our first homepage, right? I will describe the mission in trilingual keywords so you can understand the code and copy and try yourself. Come on, let's do this. All right, as I said, this is what we are going to do in English. In short, we are going to create and edit a simple web page in VS Code using, the HTML snippet. We give it a title, we insert the CSS with style, with a body, a header, 2 sections and a footer, as simple as that. And today we are going to go until the section 1 is finished, and the rest is going to be coming next. Okay, now in German. Wir werden eine einfache Webseite in VS Code, Visual Studio Code, erstellen und bearbeiten. Wir werden HTML-Snippet verwenden natürlich. Wir geben einen Titel und wir fügen einen CSS mit Stil, Textkörper, Kopfzeile, 2 Abschnitten und eine Fußzeile. Heute machen wir von Anfang bis Ende von Abschnitt 1 und den Rest kommt nächstes Mal, wenn Gott es will. En français, donc en gros, on va créer et éditer une simple page web avec Visual Studio Code. On va utiliser les snippets HTML et on va y mettre un titre, on va insérer un CSS. Le style CSS avec un corps, en tête, 2 sections et un pied de page. Simple quoi. Aujourd'hui, on va commencer et puis s'arrêter à la fin de la section numéro 1. Voilà ce qu'on va faire en gros. On y va. Okay, here, this is where we stopped last time. We can close this one, and I already have this file right here called spiritual advisors.html because, this is, an idea. It's going to be our website example. Okay, as I said, we use the snippets. You just press tab and then you press exclamation mark like this and then enter. Tac. And this is what snippet is. We have created the pattern of the HTML. And then we fill, like here we have document. We're going to give it title, the title of the file. It's easier. We're going to call it spiritual. Not all in uppercase. I'm going to do it like this. Advisors, just like that. Okay. So right after the title, we're going to type style, which is going to come, in double. We separate them and we can start. We start with the body and the dancing brackets. And then we have to separate. And now I want to insert a font family, margin, padding, and the background color. And of course, you can, make your choice. I'm going to do the font family Franklin, Gothic, Medium, and Arial Nero. So we type font. And then we have here, choose the font family, yes, like this one. And as I said, the Arial Narrow, but the rest I don't want it. So I'm going to remove just like that. Okay, now I'm going to speed up the process a little bit. All right, this is my choice, margin 0, padding 0, background color is going to be this blue-green. Okay. Now we move down and we start here in line with the body. You see, we're going to type header. We want our header here. We choose. Here we type background and we already have it here. We choose. And I think I'm going to take the hot pink. I like the hot pink. So you can take what you what your taste is. And then I need another color, white, and text align and padding. One EM I'm going to choose. Let me speed up the process right now. And now at line, let's go at line 24, we're going to start our first section. So we write here section, just like that. And we're going to do a maximum white of 800. Let's put it 800 px. And now we want to add the margin. I'm going to add the margin of S2 EM02. And we want to add padding. This is my background color, white, and the box shadow. And now we're going to add H1 at line 32. So we type H1, and we already have it here. And here we're going to add another dancing bracket. We open it, and we're going to get our color. We can choose right here, and we're going to get our first paragraph, let's say here, line 36p. And we're going to get the dancing bracket again. So I'm going to insert the footer here. Let me choose footer. And then we want again our dancing brackets. And we want the color. I'm going to get a background color again. I want the yellow, green, something like that. Okay, before I continue, I just want to take a look at the server, how it looks like right now. If we can see something already, we have already our beautiful color. Okay, let's move on. And then we want to align our text like this. Text align here. And we're going to get a center. I think center is good. Center. So now we get a padding. Let me get it here. I'm going to get a 1 EM in it. And I want position fixed. And I'm going to get a bottom 0. Let's get a bottom 0 here. And we finish with a white 100% here. And then we want to start our header. Let's start it here. So we write header. And in here we want to add our H1 now, which is going to be advisors. We're going to get an online session at home. How about that? Don't know what else to write. I think it's good, for example. Spiritual advisors, online session. Then we want a paragraph, so I'm going to get a P. And here inside we're going to write something like contact. Contact what? Our let's get the Bible in it. Our Bible expert for life counseling. How about that? Counseling, huh? Maybe we can even get an email already here. Let's put G-add team. Let's put a T like this at example.com. Huh? I don't know what else to put. Huh? Okay, now let's just take a look first at how it looks like in the live server preview. Okay, looks good, huh? Spiritual advisor, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's open it in the browser too, because you know it's a little tight here inside. I'm gonna go live, you know, first impression. Okay, these are the colors, you know, I shows. You can put the title, you know, you want, and get your own contact and your own heading 1. Contact our Bible expert team for live counseling at ECDL. Okay, let's move on. Back here where we can change stuff. Now we're gonna, well, we can insert an image, but I'm gonna do it later. Let's start with the form. We're going to start it right here, our form here. I'm going to insert a label. Let me first separate, and here we're going to remove that. We just keep the form here. Tack. And here we want to add the label. Label here. It's going to be for counseling. Let's get a counseling here. Counseling. And here inside I'm going to get a choose a field, for instance. Yes, I think it's good. Here we choose select. Press here, field. As name we want to get counselor, like this. Actually, I want to do the opposite here. I'm going to first get the ID and then the name. Okay, I prefer it like this. ID field and name counsel. Okay, this is how it looks like. Right now we can go and take a look again. So as you can see here, I made it ID field and name counsel, and these are my options: meditation, easy moves, praise, worship. And I added also the input type, as you can see here. Now let's take a look again inside and also in the browser. See the result right now. So as you can see, now they have a choice. They can choose between meditation, easy move, praise and worship, and then submit. And choose a field is in white, as you can see. I hope you like the colors. Let's go now in the browser because it's bigger. We go live here. Okay, this is how far we are right now. Spiritual advisor, as you can see here. This is our website. And the rest is coming next, if God's willing. Let me just show you the code again, just in case you want to copy. If you are also, practicing the web edit in VS Code. All right, this is our first website. It's not done yet. The second section is coming next week. And thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.